Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into OCBC Bank online banking. First, open the OCBC digital app on your phone and make sure you are using official app or website for safety. On the home screen, look for the login button, tap on to click continue. This is the username or creator. You can register for online banking, tap next or continue. Enter the password. Make sure you type it correctly. If you forgot your password, tap forgot and follow the on-screen steps. For security reasons, OCBC may ask you to enter a one-time password, approve the login to the app, or using biometric login like fingerprint or face ID. Follow the instruction on the screen. Once the security check is complete, you will be logged in. You will see your account balance, card, transfer, and other banking feature. And that's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.